Hello, people. Here's another episode of Pillow Talk
I'm so
with
tired.
Little Miss Alicia and
That's
BFF, Big Effin' Frank. Yes. We have questions for you people.
We do. We need some help.
There are so many things out there for the travel van life. There's so many apps. A lot of apps.
And lots of opinions on Facebook.
A lot of opinions on Facebook, yes. And we're confused as to which ones are the best ones. And we think you might know it.
I am having trouble sleeping at night.
Yeah.
Because this stuff is going through my head like mad.
Exactly.
It's keeping me awake.
It is.
So one of the ones I wonder about, because I keep reading that you need an app to help you navigate the roads so that you don't go under a bridge that's too low.
Or hairpin turns or
I don't even know what else.
Bad sections of town, I don't know.
But we know we need to get one of those. And we don't know which one, so I know you guys have experience that we don't have.
Because we like being ordered around.
I'm gonna need you to go ahead and come in tomorrow. So if you could be here around 9, that would be great.
Somebody said to get a trucker atlas. I've never heard of that before.
Yeah.
You heard of that?
I never heard of a trucker atlas.
So, is that true? Is that what we need?
Yeah, or is just a plain Google map? Are they just fine?
Yeah.
I mean, this is what we're all kind of confused on.
And that's just one area.
And then there's the down in the boondocks things. The
Boondocking app?
Yeah, those. Because there's so many places. There's one I noticed for Walmart.
The idea of staying at Walmart is, I don't know, it makes me uncomfortable.
Yeah.
Have you guys done that? Have you stayed at Walmart and felt fine? And I know we can stay at, what's the restaurant?
Cracker Barrel.
Oh, Frank would like to stay at Cracker Barrel.
Yeah.
That will not
Love
be a
the
healthy
Cracker Barrel.
breakfast the next morning.
Oh, yeah. And then there's like Cabela's you can stay at.
Oh, I forgot about that one.
In other places. What's that one that you pay for? Or you stay in wineries?
Oh, Harvest Host.
Yeah. Are those worth it?
Trip planners. Like when I think of planning a trip, I just feel so confused.
Well, that's normal.
That's normal for me. You're right. I don't even know which direction to head.
Right.
Southeast, straight south, southwest.
Oh, yeah, a lot of questions here, and we hope a lot of answers from you.
Please give us recommendations. I know some of you have been doing this for years, but our plan is to, see beautiful places we've never seen before.
Exactly. Places like that, Utah, Idaho, Montana.
We can't have our water systems freezing over. I'm not sure why we can't, but I guess it's not a good thing.
But you knew that already, because I know we're going to get comments from you. Dudes.
I know that, dude.
You cannot let your water system get frozen. That's what we'll hear.
Give us absolutely any advice, because we know nothing.
We know nothing. Exactly.
We really don't. The one night we stayed in it, we realized how little we actually know.
And every once in a while there'll be pressure on it where you'll have to pull this down a little bit just to relieve the pressure off of it.
And some person, I will not give names out here, they left a comment saying, I don't think camper van life is for you. It's for the younger set. What the heck? Most of our followers here are 65 and older.
Yes. And haven't you looked at the name of our channel? You're never too old to travel.
Whoever sent that, God bless you.
We could go into all the different kinds of apps we need help with. Like, do you stay on BLM, Bureau of Land Management?
Bureau of Land Management, yes.
Have you done that? Have you done National Forest?
Yeah.
How do you know how to do it? Does it cost anything?
So there's a lot of questions that you're going to fill us in on.
I can't wait to see what you advise and help set us straight so we can actually start planning our April trip.
And we are looking forward to it wherever we go. Maybe you can tell us where to go. Well, not like that.
Be nice.
Be nice.
I know with us being newbies, a lot of you are probably rolling your eyes. Think think back.
Yep.
Think back to when you were first doing this, and there was so much to learn.
Exactly. So that's what we have for you, or are asking of you.
All right, I'm ready to go to sleep.
Okay, I'm ready to go to sleep too, but it is like 11:30 in the morning, so...
Frank, don't give that away.
Oh, yeah.
We're legit here, dang it.
Yep,
Besides, what are we doing in bed at 11:30 in the morning?
we're old.
Oh, that's right.
Okay, people, we will see you later.
Our grand dog's in bed with us. Do you want to see him?
There you are.
Penny
There's
is
Penny.
our grand dog.
Hey, Penny.
She's a good, sweet Cocker Spaniel girl.
Yes, she is.
She was just laying here by our feet.
I'm getting comfy.
Speak.
Speak.
Oh, God, you're scaring her.